G'day, my name's Tomo and welcome to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we are talking about the oil pressure gauge adapter. So what is it and what does it do? Well, it's an adapter for an oil pressure gauge. Well, why do we need it? Well, if you're not running a standard oil pressure switch or an electric oil pressure gauge, you will need to get yourself one of these. This is what changes it from a female fitting inside the block to a male fitting to attach to the oil pressure line that goes to a mechanical gauge. So you will only ever need to use this when you're using a mechanical gauge. Like I said, if you're using a standard oil pressure switch or an electric oil pressure gauge, you won't need to use this. Now, it does come with not only the fitting, but also a small fiber washer at the end. Make sure that this is always fitted at the end in which the line attaches to here and goes to the oil pressure gauge. Failure to do so is going to cause a monumental oil leak and you are going to hate yourself because it's going to spill oil everywhere and you're going to spend the rest of the weekend cleaning it up. These are fairly cheap and inexpensive. They are only worth a couple of dollars, so you might as well get a couple extras just in case you drop it, lose it, or it's damaged when you put it back on. Make sure to check out the full range at minisport.com.au and we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.